die, I didn't die. They just tore up my road and I've not been working for a week. My road is tore up, but this Camaro looks great. This is a 2010. 2010 Ceramic Pro Gold, 4 layers. 4 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H hardness, 1 layer of top coat for slick, smooth, easy to clean part of the coating system. Looks fantastic. You should hear what's up. It's not a waste, folks. Calculate what you spend on all those junk products, but then you go to the detailers and they charge you $200-300 to buff out all your stuff. Well, they put a machine on it, taking clear coat away, and guess what? Then they're putting a temporary sealant or a wax on there, and some people do this twice a year. You know, inspection costs, guess what? At one little rate, boom, I'm giving you a bottle that'll last a year. You buy another bottle for $30, and guess what? Wow. See? It's gonna outperform everything else that you've